One of the most renowned architecture firms in Bangalore is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. One of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's most famous projects is the UB City Mall, which is located in the heart of Bangalore. Another famous project by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the Prestige Golfshire Clubhouse. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has played a vital role in shaping the architectural landscape of Bangalore. One of the most famous architectural firms in Bangalore is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. One of the most famous buildings designed by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the UB City Mall. Another well-known building designed by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the Taj West End Hotel. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has played a significant role in shaping Bangalore's skyline with its innovative and sustainable architectural designs. Their projects like UB City Mall and Taj West End Hotel have become landmarks in the city and continue to attract visitors from across the world. With a reputation for innovative and sustainable designs, this firm has been consistently delivering exceptional projects for over 2 decades. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has earned its place as one of the top architecture firms in India by providing unique and creative solutions to clients across the country. One of the reasons that Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from other architecture firms is its commitment to sustainability. This has earned them recognition as a leader in sustainable architecture in India. In addition to their focus on sustainability, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their ability to create functional and beautiful spaces. Overall, there is no doubt that Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the top architecture firms in India. With its innovative design concepts, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional quality of work, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has emerged as the top choice of clients across India. Among them, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top-rated firm known for its innovative and sustainable design solutions. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering excellence in every project it undertakes. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has received numerous awards and recognitions for its outstanding work in the field of architecture. The company has been featured in various publications and has been credited with transforming the skyline of Bangalore with its iconic designs. If you are looking for an architecture company that can meet your design needs and deliver exceptional results, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a top choice. Bangalore is a hub of architecture and design companies that offer innovative solutions to various construction projects. Among the top architecture companies in Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out for its exceptional design and project management services. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for its strong focus on sustainability in its designs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has worked on various projects across different sectors such as residential, commercial,